So, Jamaica at the baddest podcast. YouTube, big up on yourself. Listeners and subscribers, if you're new, welcome to the family. Make sure you subscribe. Please smash the like button there right now. Make we get the content or turn on the notification bell. With that said, yeah man, you know see a Jamaica thing, this light up your spliff. Yo, right now, make we start it off like this. People, be a drama as usual. But the lawyer right now, cartel lawyer. We see where the lawyer start off the program like this. A Mac Serpi. And it's a very interesting thing because me I say to myself, say, really? After Serpi I drop so much video, at this point, Serpi have the type of information right now we look like either him have him own satellite or but something. You understand? Serpi have the content them we not even Discovery Channel can say them have. You understand? So, one of the most interesting platform right now where even people when me know say them not like Sir PR platform. Them subscribe, them notification bell super turn on, and them just a listen for hear what next. You see me? It reach so far that even the viral king, the viral boss, foot hype, forward and say, if them not realize say Sir P is an agent that work with the government. Well, me no know. People if you know drop it in the comment section. But however, right? Sir P I shake up the place with the contents. You understand? And for some reason, whenever Sir P drop these content, them just shake the place away where it have people going in some mixed feelings and it bring a lot of speculation. It's ringing a lot of bells and a lot of people now receive it the right way. You understand? Because who want to be exposed or who want to have them name a call a certain way. You understand? So we see which part right now, not only the lawyer are Rush Sir P right now, but also Pretty Dan, Rush Sir P, and a bad up Sir P away. Right? So this is more I know. Will Sir P fire back? And people who don't know actually say without politics watch a move right now with Sir P thing right now, you know, says no way possible Sir P are gonna make that sweep under the rug. That's what people are speculate right now. So Sir P will be responding to that. Especially the lawyer. Especially the lawyer. You understand? So it'll get interesting. It'll get very interesting right now. So we'll see a turnout, you understand? And nevertheless, so people, word on the street is the war are going in at 80. I make history right now with what going, the pace we are set right now. You're not gonna believe this. Kenya, right? Yeah, down in Africa. By some reason, some way, them come to this conclusion where them are gonna send for them police them to go fight gang war down at 80. Now, this whole scenario, we don't know say this when I go make none other than Sir P react instantly. Most hilarious thing. No, basically, what Serapia say, them not only a mash them up down there, but remember now, them a police and them a talk say the war where they go on is a thing where you have to have military base thing, not police. You understand? So them not trained for that. And not only that, the bombers will make it. This is like the icing on the cake. So Jamaica, make sure so on smash it like, subscribe. No, this is like the icing on the cake, people. Very hilarious. Bombers. Send out like about 58 of them people. Figure fight over there. Now, I'll miss spliff drop when me hear this, cause me I said to myself, can't be how much river them I go. I cook them I go cook, man. Messi Color Smith have way more people than that a river I cook. People, I can't worry about I still look like make sure someone smash it like I'm confused. People drop it in the comment section. That sound like a war. Nah man, that sound like them a got a river, brother. We don't know what God. So we should spot Paula Low in the lawyer, get called out and warned to leave Vybz Kartel alone. Right? This is crazy. She actually been warned that her car will be flipped if she don't stop. You understand? This thing is getting very serious. So Jamaica, smash the like and subscribe. Share the content. Drop your comment. No, people, if this and something else, we don't know what something right now. The world can't speak about nothing else but this case right now. And the biggest case I go down in a history. You understand? No, people, on no say. Cargo just break the internet up. Cargo break the internet. Basically, crush up the internet. Have people attack crazy right now. Cargo, the people them not really like what go on. Some people, and then you have, brother, right now, it's like 50-50. Basically, it's like 50-50. It's a lot of people agree with the Cargo say. And then you have a lot of people about out Cargo at the same time. Now people drop it in the comment section. If Cargo right about what I must say. And as the same way, drop it and let me know if you disagree with the Cargo go on with. You understand? Because you know say it's just dropping your opinion that no mean say you're against a person. Because we keep it neutral on the side there and just state the facts like how it is and get to the point. You understand? And big up on yourself. As always. I don't know the thing go. Manners go a long way around here. Yeah. So people right now a big excitement and we need to see something good come out of this. So far it been nothing but speculations. People have all kind of things to say. But what really are the truth? You understand? And what will happen by the end of this month? You understand? Because right now, as what them say, the man now on a charge. And as you see a person even online speak about the same situation, them I say, well, if there's no charges, why this man still lock up? But a lot of people still not understand this thing is real tricky. You understand? So basically what enough people say is if there's no charge, it shouldn't be a bail ban or anything like that. It should be released. But I'm gonna tell you the people, I am not a lawyer. I'm not working at the court system. I just do my YouTube thing. So we need to find out what I go on with this still. You understand? But we see with Shaquille Murray forward and I talk about the whole cargo situation. And Shaquille Murray said basically this man I make him anger get the best of him and him have to watch him I say. Cause basically what Shaquille Murray let him know say. Just like the artist did say on the interview say. Remember when you did say it, and you can't take back what you did say, I want wicked something. You understand? But the way world run people, people soon don't even remember about what Cargo did say. By next week, it going to be like at least a dozen more things, a dozen more new topics to talk about and vlog about and all the stuff where they want to spread. You know, see how the world a move fast. You understand? It's just that right now still, enough artists want to drop music and can't drop no music still cause the whole internet is world boss. You understand? Yeah. Talk truth no man.